Paul, we've got heat. John, what's behind you? No. Hello! Hello! Like a glove.
I'm going to go to the next episode.
Okay, I painted the top of the other day now and I'm not done me. You know what I mean? Like, oh shit. Good. I'll probably tap in there, like.
Right.
Just tap it in. Tap it in.
Mental. How mad's that? Being under a defender and rust not falling on your face if someone taps on it.
It hasn't.
No.
I think I've knocked it all off, Paul. There's nothing left to come off.
That's perfect.
Right, that is that end done.
Yeah, then it needs to go.
Lovely that, Paul. Yep. Oh, I'm mad at it.
No, it go that way, don't it?
That's getting it out, haven't we?
Would you have thought of that, John?
No.
Like you're going to put that through first.
Oh shit, if it falls in.
Aye. No, I can't over tightness.
Yeah.
The hardest part's this, get it out.
You see?
Yep.
Not for me, Paul. Not for me, son. Happy days. Yeah. Sound as a pound, that. Paul, we got heat.
What?
I actually think when the cover's all on, it'll be pretty quiet. Had a look online for a what do you call it, cup holder. Sort of the cup holder that goes between the seat, I think it is. So it just sort of sits between the seat and you have your various size cups and whatnot. That's what I'm going to use for the front. But I don't want this bottom bit, so I'm going to cut that off. And that's going to sit in the front of my little cubby. So I'm just going to use a table saw and cut along the bottom line. Hopefully it doesn't blow up or explode in little bits. Here he goes. There we have it. Wasn't too bad. Right. Next bit. Start building the box. We have the pile of bits. All cut out. I've got to do a little sort of shape on the sides to get that done. Then I want to stick it all together. There we have it. The box ready to go, ready for Paul. A bit taller than the last one. That was a bit of a pain the last one with the height. So I'm going to use the same lid. Same lid's going on. So you've got the, just centralise the back hole because it didn't really matter, that's just the air intake. We just off-centered the hole to go with the heater. That can go on, probably swivel around, I don't know. I'll have a look at that later. But drop in bottom, little false bottom to go in. And that there. That there will be screwed on to the front. Here we have the cubby box in with a little cup holder there that I've built. Brother-in-law has done the carpeting for us, so I am not very good at it, to be honest. It's not as deep as the old one, obviously, because it's got the little pull-out bottom. As you can see there, there's a little light. Diesel heater comes through. Little duct in the front. Bottom just drops back in again. Oh no, I've put the tab. No. Little window break on the back. Little air intake. All trimmed and carpeted by my brother-in-law Paul. Thank you very much, Paul. The only problem is if I was going to do another one, or if you copy it, there's a gear lever, as you have a cup, my little Lanagard cup. Just saying, the trouble, it's alright, clears it all. Well, there's no cup in, but if I put a cup in that one, in reverse, yeah, it's just on this side, I'm fine. So if I'm putting reverse, I can't have any big cups in the driver's side because it hits it, unfortunately. So ideally probably put this back another couple of inches, maybe take these corners off, but I can live with that. It's just a luxury having a cup holder. There's a little wire down there for the power feed. I'm going to put a switch in there, I think. So if I'm in parked up for any length of time, like say if it's parked up for a week, I can turn it off, and it saves the little that saves the little display, drain any power down. I had to come back to a flat battery because of that. But that's the inside. See how it goes. If I get any error codes, I'll pour it up there. I don't think I should.